They were seasoned sailors. They fished for cod and developed a special method for drying it. They also hunted whales. Who were they? The Basques, who were among the first Europeans to frequent the St. Lawrence Gulf and estuary in the 16th century. On arrival, they started hunting and whaling to supplement the fur trading they carried out with the Aboriginal peoples of the St. Lawrence Valley. Remains of their whaling operations have been discovered on Îlot Basque, including the ovens they used for rendering whale blubber. Because of these remains, attesting to the long-ago presence of the Basques, the island was named a National Historic Site of Canada in 2000. If you love birding, or are intrigued by the history of this people who came to hunt St. Lawrence whales in the 16th century, head for Îlot Basque. You might want to visit the Basque Adventure Park in Trois Pistoles first. You may even catch a game of the Basque national sport, pelota.